Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special for you, the ICI North America Soda Siphon Classic Mesh Soda Maker. The absolute best when it comes to making carbonated beverages at home. Let's dive right in and discover what makes this soda siphon a game-changer. The ICI North America Soda Siphon Classic Mesh Soda Maker is designed to give you that perfect fizz for sparkling water. Carbonated juice drinks, wine spritzers, and handcrafted cocktails. Now, let's talk about the fantastic features and benefits of this incredible soda maker. It boasts a stainless steel mesh design over a BPA-free pen plastic bottle, giving it a classic and timeless look. The high-impact plastic head is designed with steady stream technology, ensuring a consistent and controlled pour every time. It comes with a charger holder for easy and convenient use. The included measuring tube and removal key make filling and maintenance a breeze. It even has a dust cap to keep your beverages fresh and clean. Unlike some other soda makers, the ICI Soda Siphon doesn't need electricity, reducing countertop clutter. Its sleek design easily fits into your refrigerator, saving space and ensuring you always have cold, refreshing soda water on hand. Cleaning is a breeze. Just hand wash with warm water, and you're good to go. One important thing to note is that this product is designed for use in the US. If you're outside the US, you may need an adapter or converter for it to work in your region, so please check compatibility before purchasing. In conclusion, the ICI North America Soda Siphon Classic Mesh Soda Maker is the ultimate choice for anyone who loves carbonated beverages. Its classic design, ease of use, and ability to make sparkling water, cocktails, and more make it a must-have for your kitchen. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you want the best carbonated water maker that combines elegance and functionality, the ICI Soda Siphon is your answer. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more fantastic product reviews, and leave any questions or comments down below. Until next time, stay refreshed.